It's Friday, so that means it's time to clean out our purses and our cars. So my purse has all kinds of interesting things in it that need to go in different places. So I have an old shopping list. Somebody gave me some stickers for me to use at church because I work with the children in church, so they thought that I would appreciate those, which I really do. A bit of a pile of papers from various different places where I've been over the week, and they give you receipts, and then I just stick them in there for speed. So basically that's everything in there that I don't want. And then I go through this and I just open it up and see if there's anything. There's a receipt there that I don't need anymore, and cash, which I shall keep in there. Everything else is good, so that goes back in. So my bag is looking kind of nice and empty. It literally has my purse in it, some medication, some allergy medication and things like that. Then I have the fun of going through these. So I just do that real quick. I just check them, make sure there's nothing that I might need to keep. Yeah, I know that some of you need to keep your receipts for taxes if you're in America, or for your own budgeting purposes. I don't budget that way, so that's kind of not a thing that I need to do, but I'm just checking through these just very quickly to see what's there. And of all of those items that I need to keep, there is one, which is a loyalty card for a store that I use all the time. They've just started using loyalty cards, and they send you money off vouchers every month. So I need to register that in a minute and put that in my handbag ready for the next time that I go in there. And that's it. Super quick. Took me a couple of minutes. I do it every week. If I didn't, I wouldn't be able to get into my handbag after about 3 weeks. So it's kind of important for me to do. Simple, easy, done. In a minute I'll go out to the car, which might be in a bit more of a state because I take lots of people in that. So I'm in my car, and I like to clean it out just by finding any sort of things that shouldn't be here. I am awful for having these in my car. I kind of collect them. They end up in the back, they end up everywhere. Also old parking tickets, things like that. It's good just to take them out of the car. You don't want to have free roaming things in the car. If you have an accident, they can fly and become like little missiles. I also take this moment just to check my washer bottle to make sure that's full, and I also check the oil occasionally as well, probably not as often as I should. So that's kind of what I do on a Friday when I do my car and my purse. The two combined take me less than 5 minutes, and they just keep those things ticking over and help to keep me organised as well. Okay.